Karnataka will stop the direct cash transfer of 34 rupees per kg for rice under the Anna Bhagya scheme from February, according to State Minister KH Muniyappa. Congress had promised to provide 10 kg of rice per month to each BPL family member, including 5 kg supplied by the centre under the National Food Security Act 2013. However, due to a shortage of food grains, the state had been transferring 170 rupees per person instead of providing rice. This practice continued until January. Congress had accused the centre of withholding rice despite sufficient stocks being available. The state requires 2.1 lakh tons of rice every month, costing 536.71 crore rupees. Karnataka will now procure rice from the centre at 22.5 rupees per kg. Muniyappa stated that discussions with Union Minister Pralhad Joshi ensure a steady rice supply for the next 2 years. He also noted that the centre procures rice at 40 rupees per kg, including transportation costs.